ricotta. This thing has been such a fun investment. The joke's out of the way now. Hot box in the cheese. I'm gonna relight that like 2 or 3 times just until it tastes good. Ricotta's done. Nice and smoky. Grate some lemon zest, some garlic, salt and pepper. And then I'm just gonna keep whisking it until it's like pretty smooth. I should have just used an immersion blender in hindsight, but I'm here now. Got some asparagus, and I'm not gonna do too much, just cut them like that. And these are skinny little guys, so they're gonna cook really fast.